Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Tech and Talk. Many people ask me about how you cut your object using Illustrator or using Photoshop. So in this video, I just explain how you can cut your object from an image using Illustrator. There's simple two steps you can follow it and you can cut your object from any image for any object or any portrait image removing background from a Photoshop. It's a simple step. Let's start. First, I just make a new artboard, go to file, make new, and I just select 1000 by 1000 pixels and hit OK. I already make a artboard, so to save the time, let's this is the image and this the layer. First, I just lock the layer by this is small icon called toggles lock. I just click it and then my image is locked. I cannot move it. So then I select the pen tool and make a shape around my object which I want to cut from an image. Okay, let's make a simple box around an object. So take your time and draw a small anchor points around your object, so your object cutting is very clear and clean. So I also make mistake about selecting the object from the outer way. Okay, let's just again a simple way is to click and then drag your point so you can next point easily make using pen tool. If you want to escape at any point, you simply press escape button from your keyboard, and then if you want to again start from a ending point, select the pen tool and click at last point of your shape. Next, I just simply draw this complete pattern so I can simply again cut the object from image. This is a simple and best and also the easy way to use Illustrator for cutting objects. Okay, again, if you cannot make a curved layer or you cannot making shape, please divide it into small anchor points so your shape is in clean form and cutout is better. This make your cutout better. Okay, then for viewing my shape, I just simply convert the fill color into stroke by swapping option. Okay, now I simply this is a straight line, so I simply click one point and again draw like this, so the whole part of the object is selected. Again, take your time and make small anchor points. Okay, I almost done. So this is the first part of cutting the object from an image. Next part, first you unlock your layer and then select both layer from layer panels, or you can simply using selection tool and click and drag to select the both layers are both one is the layer one is the image and second is the object layer. Now click right click and make clip mask. Okay, if you don't understand what happened, then control Z again, select the both layers and go to selection. I think so there is an option uh text wrap, image tracing. Yes, there is an option at the lower panel of object clipping mask, then hit OK and you get a clear object cutout from an image. Now you can save it in PNG form. This is the second step, and third step is how to save this image in PNG or transparent form. Next, I then go to file, go to export and export as In this panel, I selected my PNG image and desktop, then click hit OK. So please clearly see that I just selected background color as a transparent and opacity or resolution as a 150. You can also select 300 for better result. Okay, then hit OK. So in this way, our JPG image save in a PNG image with cutout, with complete cutout object. So you can see that the object is cut from the image and you can place it anywhere you can without losing any resolution or without losing any object cuts. Okay, I hope so this video will help you for cutting objects or removing background from an image. Thank you.